don't know what you've gotten yourselves into. You will never get this scroll. That silver hair and white blade. Could it be the White Fang relief?
Hand over the scroll and there will be no more bloodshed.
Well, in that case... He's still chasing me. Where's the backup? I gave the signal already.
Got him. So, I guess this is it, guys. I wish I'd say goodbye to my wife and kids one last time.
Finally, the Umbu are here.
Don't mess with the Blood Mist Village!
Sakuma! But what about the mission?
It's true, the mission is important, but I will not allow my comrades to die.
That hair and blade! I know him! It's the White Fang!
Are you okay?
You traitor! You abandoned the mission, even though you knew how important it was to the village. A shinobi must always put the mission first. You're a failure as a ninja.
The great White Fang of the Leaf, the hero! More like the traitor!
Do you see him? He's the reason this ninja are still in the land of fire.
Shame on you! Traitor!
Leave the village!